Is Kalshi legit? Kalshi is a unique trading platform that allows users to trade on event-based markets. As a relatively new concept in the financial world, many people are curious about its legitimacy, safety, and potential risks. This guide provides a detailed evaluation of Kalshi's credibility, functionality, and overall trustworthiness. 1. Overview of Kalshi. Kalshi is a trading platform where users can buy and sell contracts based on the outcomes of real-world events. These events range from economic indicators to weather patterns, sports outcomes, and more. The platform aims to provide a new way for users to hedge risks or profit from their knowledge of real-world events. Second, regulatory approval and compliance. Kalshi is a legitimate platform and is regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, ICFTC. It was the first regulated exchange of its kind in the United States, giving it a solid legal foundation and ensuring adherence to U.S. financial regulations. 3. Security and data protection. Kalshi uses industry-standard security protocols, including SSL encryption to protect user data, two-factor authentication, 2FA, for account security, regular audits to ensure compliance with financial security standards. Fourth, trading process and event markets. Kalshi operates similarly to a traditional stock exchange but with event-based markets. Users trade yes or no contracts based on the likelihood of specific outcomes. Prices reflect the market's perceived probability of the event occurring, and profits depend on the accuracy of predictions. Fifth, payment and withdrawal reliability. Kalshi supports secure deposits and withdrawals through reliable financial institutions. Payments are processed efficiently, and users have reported smooth, timely transactions. The platform follows strict anti-money laundering (AML) protocols to ensure financial integrity. 6. Common concerns and risks. Market volatility. Event-based markets can be unpredictable, leading to potential losses. Learning curve. Understanding event contracts requires a grasp of probability and market mechanics. Limited historical performance. As a newer platform, it lacks the long-term track record of traditional exchanges. 7. User reviews and industry reputation. Kalshi has received positive feedback from users for its innovative approach to trading and reliable platform performance. Its CFTC regulation is often cited as a major factor in its perceived legitimacy. However, some users express caution due to the novelty of event-based trading. 8. Tips for safe trading on Kalshi. Start small to familiarize yourself with event-based trading mechanics. Educate yourself on event probabilities and market behavior. Use stop-loss strategies to manage potential losses. Stay updated on events that may affect your contracts. Kalshi is a legitimate, regulated platform that introduces a novel approach to trading through event-based markets. With CFTC oversight, strong security protocols, and a growing user base, it offers a reliable trading experience. However, users should approach event-based trading with caution, understanding the inherent risks and potential for market volatility.